Welcome. In this video I will show you very easy Forex scalping for small accounts. It is very easy, it is very simple. However, as always, you need to practice this. You need to backtest it. Go on TradingView and backtest it. We are using 5-minute time frame. Now this strategy is not mine. I've read about it in some ebook. I don't know when, but I read it and I'm now sharing it with you. It is very simple. I already see setups and I will tell you now what do you need for this strategy. So this strategy you will have to use the major pairs because you want to have as low spreads as possible, because on the lower time frames you want to have as low spreads as possible. So for this I will be using EURUSD pair, and we just need two moving averages. One moving average is 50 in length, so length is 50, and the second one is just 3. Now what you are waiting is for this 3 moving average to cross very strongly, very sharp move, cross this blue line, and then if it's sharp you buy or sell, something like this. Of course, when it's moving sideways, this is where you need to be careful. It will not be working always. You want to see some strong move. For example, when it's up like this and now you see it boom to cross this, so now that would be good setup, but not like when it's moving sideways as just crossing that line. That is very not good, because it will probably be losing. So you need to backtest it as always. It is very easy, it is very simple. However, you need to be careful. It is fast, it is on 5 minutes, and you need to backtest it and practice it and see if this is something you would like to use. So let's go back in some random time. As you know from my videos, I don't like to have this prepared. I want to do it as live as possible, because having it prepared is of course easy. You could also prepare a lot of videos and make them and tell that this is what you should do at this point, but let's see. So I don't know what is going on, and this is exactly what you are looking for. See this strong move to the downside. It went up, and boom, and cross of this blue line. This is good. So let's wait, and let's wait for. So this was a strong move, but it went sideways, and then it crossed up. So I would not take this, because it went sideways, then it crossed. It would be better if you see something like this and boom, not like this and this, you know, something. Let's see, and this is good. This is good, but it is up a lot. The better would be if I took it at this candle, but it crossed here. So let's take this, and we have 1-to-1. So 1-to-1, we now can put our stops to break even or take it. It's scalping, so obviously scalping. You don't want to be here hours. Maybe you won't, that is up to you, but when you are 1-to-1, I do recommend you to put your stops to break even, so you are in risk-free trade, or you can and you can close it or you can just let it run. So let's see how far this go. 1 to 2. But this is perfect example. This is exactly what you are looking for. See, it turned very strong reversal, and it is moving up. It crossed this blue line in sharp move, strong move to the upside, and we had first profitable trade. So this was perfect example. It went up, down, and boom, crossed this. So that was good, because here, as you can see, it just went sideways, and now it crossed. But you know, we want to see some move, some nice move. And again, that is why you need to backtest this. You need to practice it and see how this can work for you or not. So again, this is good. We have strong move. And another 1 to 1. So 1 to 2, I would close it here. It's scalping, but again, perfect example. Again, what do we have? Very strong sharp move to the downside. This is perfect. Exactly, this is what you are looking for. So we have 2 trades, 2 profitable. That is very good. And now you see it's moving sideways. So now when it's moving sideways, if it cross up with strong move, I would not take it. I would not take it because now it's moving sideways. It can just cross it and go down, you know, up, you know, bounce on that line. So I do not want to take it. I want to take only this. This was a perfect setup. Yeah, see, now it crossed, but I wouldn't take this because it went sideways. It can go down, and this was happened again. It crossed down, but again, I wouldn't take it. You want to wait? Yes, now. And now if we get where is that? If we get this strong move to the downside, I will take it. At this point, yes, but not when it's moving sideways. So let's wait. Again, it's very close to the line. Let's wait if we get, well, it's not looking bad, but I'm not sure at this point. I don't know. I wouldn't take it. If you are not sure, then, or if it's not clean, you know, you are hesitating, you see it, but and this was, yeah, so I wouldn't take this at all, because this was at the end of the day. And as you can know, at the end of the day, when the day is changing, the spreads are opening, the market is moving very slow. So when it's end of the day, when the day is changing, you do not want to trade on low time frames. Definitely not. Do not trade on long time frames, because the spreads are opening at this point. In your broker, it can do some up or some push to the upside or to the downside. So let's wait for another setup. See, when it's moving sideways, do not take this. You want to see when it's far or not far bar, but it has some space, and now boom and boom. You know, not like when it's above or just below that line. You know, it's moving sideways, and now it moves now it takes some move to the upside. This is not what you want to see. You want to see this, exactly this. So let's wait for another example. So again, this is not good, and this, let's see, this is looking good. It has some space, so let's take buy. It does not look good like before, like on that first 2 trades, to be honest. This does not look that good, but we have this reverse. It went up, so I'm taking it. And loss. So it's here, first loss. I know, boo me, dislike this video. But of course, this strategy is not 100%. You need to practice this, you need to backtest this. So again, I will not make this video too long, because I think you understand it. Again, we have two moving average. One is 50, the second one is 3. What you are waiting for is for this 3 moving average to cross 50 in some nice move like this, some turn. When it reverse and move up, then it's very good. If you see it moving, below or above it in some sideways moves and then cross it, then you do not care. You want to see it. And if I zoom it out, this, as you can see, this was not that good. If you see this was very nice move and very nice reverse again. So it have to be far from that line, not close to it. It's better. So very easy, very simple strategy, but you need to backtest it and see for yourself if it worked for you. You can use TradingView or some other site where you can backtest it. I don't know what, I just use TradingView, so this is what I recommend. And let me know what do you think about this strategy. I think it's very good, it's very easy for beginners, but obviously it's Forex. You need to train, you need to be confident in what you are doing. Do not trade with your money if you don't know what you are doing. Trade on your demo account, and then if you are confident, if you know what you are doing, then you can think about trading it with your real money. So don't think you will just go now and deposit your money. You will put 2 moving average and you will just earn millions. Do not do this. You need to be confident in what you are doing. You need to know what you are doing, and then you can think about trading with your real money. So this is strategy, scalping strategy for your small account. As you could see, very easy, very simple to understand. And that's it for this video. Goodbye.